last thing we need to do, I think the final frontier, the final frontier is we've got two more things to do. Two more things to do. So our game window updating is basically done. Calculate that's done. We need to update and create a file for our top score, and we need to load some sound files. So that's where we are right now. We need to go to the top by our utility files. And we need to create two more utility functions. Yeah, two more utility functions. These are quick ones to do. This is to deal with the top score. So the first function we're going to create is define open top score file. Alright, so with open top, with open top score file dot text as file, top score is equal to int file dot read I think with this one you have to create a file, new file, top score file dot txt. Okay, that's it there. Go back to your main folder. That must be .txt. And my top score file, I'm just going to add a top score there of 1000. Okay, close that. So I've created a text file, and in my text file I've just put a score of 1000. Right? So open top score file with open top score is equal to integer. I want to file dot close, and I'm going to return top score. Okay, so that function is actually called on my game settings variable top score. It's going to be open top score file. So that's actually my top score there. Right. The last utility function I need to create is diff save top score file. Straightforward. Global top score. Declaring that as a global because I want to access that and change it if necessary. So if my score is greater than top score, then my top score will become my score. And then with open top score file.txt w as file.write as a string top score, and file.close and return. Okay, this function takes place when we hit game over. When we hit the game over, it does that check. So it'll do that check once we hit game over, which is sure, somebody's speeding outside. If lives game over is equal to true, here. Then we're going to go save top score file. Right. The very last thing we need to do is we need to load in the sound files. So here under my game image, loading assets, we're going to go right here, we're going to go the shoot sound is equal to pygame.mixer.sound, and then the file is assets sounds laser.wav. Okay, next sound is the expel sound, which is equal to pygame.mixer.sound assets sounds bang small dot wav. The next one, which is ship expl sound, is equal to pygame.mixer.sound assets sounds bang large dot wav. Alright, so that's the loading of our 3 sounds into the game. So the shoot sound, we want to play the shoot sound whenever we hit the spacebar button. Space shoot sound dot play. Okay. Whenever an asteroid gets destroyed, so it's called asteroid. If asteroid.health is equal to 0, whenever asteroid health is equal to 0, where am I going now? Over there. I can do it there. Yeah. EXPL sound dot play. And then the last one is the ship explosive players when the last minus equals 1. Ship sound dot play. I think that does it. I think that's everything. I think we've just finished the game, finished the tutorial, finished the video. All of the stuff is in. Let's hit the play function. Oh, we still get rid of the squares, the white squares. But anyway, let's test the game quickly. Let's get rid of the squares quickly. The squares come from the player class. It was under the draw function, that one there. So under the player class, under the draw function, there's a pygame.draw.rect. Let's just comment it out quickly. Let it play again. And no more white squares. There's my asteroid. If I shoot, there should be a sound. Sure, that's loud. Oh, and the asteroid explodes. That's a nice sound. Oh, and we crash into the asteroid. I just want to lower the sound a little bit. So we go to where we loaded the sounds in. And over here, I think shoot sound dot set volume. I think we put it at 0.5 because the shooting sounds very loud. And if we it still seems very loud. 0.25. If it's at 0.25, still seems quite loud. 0.5? Should barely be able to hear it. It's definitely softer. Okay. Well, I'm going to put it at 0.25, and you can change that as you need. Well, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We've created a Asteroids game. I hope you had fun with this. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have more fun playing it. It's a bit of work to get it done, a bit of work to put it together, but it's a fun game, and it's fun to play. Great. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like. Give me any comments. Give me any suggestions, things like that. I'd appreciate it. I hope you had fun. Cheers for now.